Have you ever wondered why cats have a reputation for being mysterious and aloof? From their enigmatic gaze to their seemingly inscrutable behaviors, cats truly are a riddle wrapped in a mystery inside an enigma. But fear not, cat enthusiasts and curious souls, as we're about to dive into the captivating world of felines. We'll be exploring 5 intriguing facts about our feline friends that will make you see them in a whole new light. So, stay with us as we unravel the mysteries of your furry friends. Cats communicate using a variety of signals, including vocalizations, body language, and even scent. Now, let's delve into the fascinating world of feline communication, starting with vocalizations, or as we commonly know them, meows. Cats have a plethora of meows, each with its unique meaning. A short, high-pitched meow is a standard greeting, like a cheerful hello. Meanwhile, a drawn-out, low-pitched meow could indicate displeasure or even be a demand for attention. And if your cat is chattering or chirping, they might be expressing their frustration at not being able to catch a bird or a squirrel outside the window. Then there's body language. Cats are masters of non-verbal communication. Their tails, for example, are like little barometers of their mood. A twitching or thrashing tail signals irritation, while a tail held high is a sign of confidence and contentment. A cat that's feeling fearful or threatened might puff up its tail to appear larger and more intimidating. And let's not forget their ears. Forward-facing ears indicate interest or playfulness, while flattened ears are a clear sign that a cat is scared or agitated. And if you notice your cat slowly blinking at you, it's a sign of trust and affection, often referred to as a cat kiss. Lastly, we have scent marking. Cats have scent glands in their cheeks, paws, and other parts of their bodies. When they rub against you or an object, they're leaving their scent behind, marking their territory. It's their way of saying, "This is mine." They also use scratching as a form of scent marking. So, if your cat is scratching your couch, it might not be just about sharpening their claws, but also about leaving their scent behind. As you can see, cats have a complex and nuanced language all their own. Understanding it can greatly enhance the bond between you and your feline friend. So the next time your cat meows, remember they're trying to tell you something. Did you know that cats sleep for an average of 13 to 14 hours a day? That's right, our feline friends are some of the sleepiest creatures in the animal kingdom. But ever wondered why cats sleep so much? Well, it all boils down to their predatory nature. In the wild, cats need to conserve energy for hunting, which often involves short bursts of intense activity. So they sleep and rest a lot to store up energy. But it's not just about energy conservation. Sleep is also crucial for a cat's health. During sleep, cats' bodies repair and grow. It's a time when their immune system gets a boost, and their brain gets to process and store new information. So if you ever see your cat snoozing, remember, it's not just laziness. It's a vital part of their well-being. Now let's talk about their sleep patterns. Unlike humans, who usually sleep in one long stretch, cats have a polyphasic sleep pattern. This means they sleep multiple times throughout the day and night, usually in short bursts. They're crepuscular creatures, which means they're most active during the dawn and dusk hours. So, while you're in deep sleep, your cat might be in the middle of its active period prowling around the house. Do cats dream? You bet they do. Just like us, cats experience rapid eye movement, or REM sleep, which is when dreaming occurs. So if you see your cat twitching or moving its paws while asleep, it's probably in the middle of a dream. Who knows, maybe they're dreaming about chasing a mouse or exploring the great outdoors? But remember, not all sleep is created equal in the world of cats. Kittens and older cats tend to sleep more than young adults. Certain breeds may also sleep more than others. And if your cat is sleeping excessively or showing signs of disturbed sleep, it might be a good idea to consult a vet. So, don't disturb your cat's nap, it's vital for their health. Ever wondered why your domestic cat still hunts despite being well-fed? It's a question that puzzles many a cat owner, yet the answer lies deep within the roots of our feline friends' ancestry. Cats, you see, are born hunters. This is not a learned behavior, but a deeply ingrained instinct that dates back to their wild ancestors. Whether your cat is a pampered house pet or a streetwise stray, its hunting instincts are hardwired into its DNA. So why do cats hunt, even when they're not hungry? Well, it's not just about the food. Hunting is a form of play for cats, a way for them to exercise their instincts and keep their skills sharp. Even if your cat is well-fed, it still needs to satisfy its primal urge to stalk, pounce, and capture. You might have observed this behavior at home. The twitching tail, the focused gaze, the sudden pounce, it's all part of the hunt. Whether it's a toy, a laser pointer, or a real mouse, the thrill of the chase is irresistible to our feline companions. But don't worry, this doesn't mean your cat is unhappy or hungry. In fact, it's quite the opposite. Cats who engage in regular play hunting are often healthier and happier. They're exercising their bodies and their minds, burning off energy and satisfying their natural instincts. So, how do you channel this behavior in a domestic setting? The key is to provide plenty of opportunities for play. This could include interactive toys, puzzle feeders, or even a safe outdoor space where your cat can explore and stalk. Remember, it's not about the kill, but the chase. So the next time your well-fed kitty brings you a gift or pounces on an unsuspecting toy, don't be alarmed. This is just your cat being a hunter by nature. It's part of what makes them so fascinating, so unique, and so deeply loved by us humans. Remember, your kitty's hunting behavior is a natural instinct, not a sign of hunger. Cats purr for various reasons, not just because they're happy. That's right, the familiar, soothing, rhythmic hum that comes from our feline friends is more than just a sign of contentment. It's a complex form of communication that can indicate a variety of emotional states and physical conditions. Interestingly, while dogs wag their tails and birds sing songs, cats have this unique method of purring. But what does it mean exactly? Let's delve into the fascinating world of cats' purrs. So, yes, cats do purr when they're happy. Just like when they're curled up in your lap, or when you stroke their fur, or when they're enjoying their favorite treat. The purr in these instances is a cat's way of expressing satisfaction and contentment. It's their way of saying, I'm comfortable, I'm relaxed, everything is just perfect. But that's not the whole story. Cats also purr when they're stressed or anxious. It's somewhat akin to how humans might hum a tune or fidget when we're nervous. For cats, purring can be a self-soothing behavior. It's a way for them to calm themselves down during stressful situations. More intriguingly, cats also purr when they're not feeling well or when they're injured. It's believed that the low-frequency vibrations produced by purring can promote healing and reduce pain. Some researchers even suggest that these purr vibrations can stimulate the production of growth factors, the substances that help repair body tissues. So, in a way, a cat's purr could be its very own built-in healing mechanism. However, it's important to note that not all purrs are the same. The pitch, volume, and duration of a purr can vary depending on the cat and its current state. So, learning to understand your cat's purr can lead to a deeper connection and understanding of your feline friend. So, the next time you hear your cat purring, know that it's their way of communicating their feelings. Whether they're content, anxious, or even unwell, your cat is trying to tell you something through their purr. Listen closely, and you'll learn to understand the nuanced language of cat purrs. Cats are known for their independence, but did you know they can also form strong bonds with their owners? When we delve into the world of cats, we often find ourselves utterly fascinated by their aloof charm. And that charm, my friends, is rooted in their independent nature. Unlike dogs, who are pack animals and rely on social structure, cats are solitary hunters in the wild. This solitary nature has translated into the domesticated cats we know today, leading them to be self-reliant and, yes, fiercely independent. They handle their grooming, they decide when they want affection, and they certainly let us know when they've had enough. Yet, it's a common misconception that this independence means cats are aloof or unattached. Not so. In fact, cats can and do form strong bonds with their human companions. These bonds, however, are on their own terms. Cats won't necessarily come when called or perform tricks for treats, but they will often seek out their favorite human for a snuggle session or a gentle petting. This independence doesn't equate to indifference. It's simply a different way of expressing affection. Cats show love in subtle ways, like slow blinking, headbutting, or curling up next to you when they're ready for a nap. Your cat may be independent, but that doesn't mean they don't value your companionship. So don't be fooled by your cat's independent streak. They may not wear their heart on their paw, but their affection for you runs deep.